Hello everyone! In the 2025.4 release of TrustInSoft Analyzer, we have improved the graphical project manager. So today, I thought I would demonstrate that by going through the whole analysis of TinyCrypt that we did in an episode of Code and Box with TrustInSoft without ever using the command line. To start, I will create a project and select the TinyCrypt directory. Now, I need to provide a compilation database to the analyzer. I will first add script to run bear make, then run. It will compile the project and create a compilation database. I can then click on compilation database and it is automatically loaded with 27 files detected. I will select a hardware architecture of x86 64-bit, then parse all files, and I'm ready to create the project. I am now ready to start creating my analysis. I will use an existing driver, select the test file for the AES module, then the function main. The list of files is determined automatically. I have no options to add. I will give my analysis a name and then create it. It is added to my list of analyses. I will now create analyses for the rest of the modules. I now have all of my analyses. I can run all of them at once. We have some alarms. I can start the root cause investigator with investigate. Here, we are taking an 8-bit unsigned integer and shifting it by 24 to get a 32-bit unsigned integer. This would be correct, except that the C standard mandates that there is an implicit cast to signed integer before the shift. And as we may compute 32-bit values that are higher than int max, we have an alarm. I'm going to introduce a separate version of the code with an explicit cast to 32-bit unsigned before the shift. This will eliminate the alarm from the analyzer while making the change visible. We have covered the complete analysis of TinyCrypt in an episode of Code and Box with TrustInSoft, so I will quickly fix all of the other alarms. And here we are. This was the last alarm. Let's now go back to the project manager, run this one final time, and voila! We have finished our analysis of TinyCrypt entirely from the graphical project manager. I hope you enjoyed this demonstration, and I hope you will enjoy the 2025.4 release of TrustInSoft Analyzer. Bye-bye!